Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you the difference between comments or notes and basically how to add and remove each at any point in time in your Google Sheet document. So all you need to know about comments or notes in Google Sheets. So how do we add a comment? Let's start with the comments. You can find whatever cell that you want to add, right? You can find whichever cell that you want to add the comment or the notes in. And it's much better to add it in a section where you have some data because it's much more visible. So even though I have this section here that's called comments, it's much better to add it in, for example, a section here where you have some kind of data or options here where people will be interacting with or easily visible to them. So I'm going to use, for example, this cell here or this section here, this column here, right? So let's take the first one here. I'm going to add a comment for this one. So in order to add a comment, you just need to right click on the cell and just click on comments. You can also use a shortcut key of basically Control Alt and M, and you will have the pop-up there. Now with the comments, you can easily mention someone. So you can type whatever you want. So I'm going to write, for example, please check this, right? And I would mention it to someone. So with the comments, you can mention it to someone, while for the notes, you're not able to mention or add someone to it. So keep that in mind. So if you want to have someone interact or engage with this comment that you're going to, if you want to direct it to them, it's better to use the comments than the notes because you're not able to do that with it. So let me show you. So for the comments, you can press the @ sign and you will see immediately start to populate emails that you can choose from, or you can even type that email out if you know it by heart. So I'm going to just select this first one as an example here, and you can see I would be directing this to this person. Please check this, and I have the email address there. Then I'm going to click on comment. And keep in mind that if it's the first time you're, let's say, adding an email for that person, you can choose what kind of rights you want to give to them. So you can click on that. Let me go ahead and show you as an example. If I would choose a different email address, for example, here, I can easily go ahead and click on save, and it will give me the pop-up and ask me, okay, do I want to give this person as a commenter or editor, or do I want anyone with the link to be able to do this, and so forth, right? So you can choose between these different options here and, basically click and comment and they will have access to it, right? So that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add a different email address here, for example, and just leave it as is, right? So that's it. And as for the notes, it's very easy. You just need to right click on the cell that you want to add the notes and just simple go ahead and click on notes and just type whatever you want for me to check, for example. For me to check, for example. And as you can see, if I hit the @ sign there, I'm not able to mention anyone. So it is clear there that if you want to mention someone or give somebody some access or interact with someone within some comments, it's better to use the comments for it instead of the notes. So the notes is mostly for you or anybody who can view this document to be able to see. And that's how you add the two. Now to delete them is a little bit different. To delete the comment, you just need to hover over it, then go to where it shows the comment, and you have 3 dots here. You can click on that and you can click delete and delete it. While for the notes, it's a bit different. You just need to click on it and there's no delete button. You just need to press Control A to delete the entire cell. Let me just go back there. Press Control A, then hit delete on your keyboard or backspace, and then click away and it's now deleted. And that's it, guys. That's how to basically work with notes and comments in your Google Sheet documents.